Riding a motorcycle fast while staying safe is all about skill, awareness, and preparation. Here are key tips to balance speed with safety. Master the basics first. Before riding fast, make sure you have full control over slow speed maneuvers, braking, and cornering. Wear the right gear. Helmet. Full face helmet with DOT or ECE certification. Riding suit. Leather or armored textile gear. Gloves and boots. Reinforced gloves and ankle protecting boots. Know your bike. Understand your motorcycle's braking distance, acceleration, and handling limits. Keep your tires, brakes, and suspension in top condition. Improve your riding skills. Take advanced riding courses, such as track days or MSF advanced training. Learn counter steering for smooth cornering at speed. Practice trail braking to maintain control in corners. Ride smooth, not just fast. Throttle control. Accelerate smoothly to prevent wheel spin. Braking. Apply both brakes smoothly. Avoid panic braking. Cornering. Set up your speed before entering. Look through the turn and lean properly. Stay alert and predict traffic. Scan 12 plus seconds ahead to anticipate obstacles. Keep a safe following distance from vehicles. Watch for road conditions, gravel, wet spots, potholes. Use proper body positioning. Tuck in for aerodynamics at higher speeds. Shift your body in corners to reduce lean angle and improve grip. Ride within your limits. Don't push beyond your skill level. Ride at speeds you can stop safely within your visible distance. Avoid public roads for extreme speed. High-speed riding is safest on closed tracks, not public streets. Roads have unpredictable variables, cars, pedestrians, debris. Ride sober and rested. No alcohol, drugs, or distractions. Fatigue slows reaction time. Stay well rested. Have a safe riding. Thank you.